Bogus and offensive flyer put up around IU's Bloomington campus has led to a warning tonight.
Tonight, our David McAnally is live on campus to talk about what the flyer says and why you absolutely do not want to go to the link that's posted on it. David?
That's right, Emery. Here's the brochure that's going around here the last couple of days around IU. It looks a lot like a flyer that the university sent out to students dealing with this whole sex and consent issue. It uses the IU logo, as you can see, even has some of the same layout that was used on the real one, but this is bogus. In fact, it even has, if you read it, it's got some serious misspellings. The word consent is misspelled, the word rape is misspelled. So are some other words as well. Advocates who work with students on this issue here on campus say it's a real setback. They don't like to see this, that it's not at all funny. They also work with victims, and they say this has a bad effect on getting victims to come forward with their stories too. It's made social media, but all the students we talked to today, they just did not find it funny at all.
I think it's a very disrespectful thing to do. A lot of people have had issues with consent in the past, and to make light of what they've gone through and what people, what relationships always need is a big joke. It's not like it's not made to be a joke. It's a very serious issue.
What's written in there is not acceptable. So, as a student, it's kind of, you're upsetting that another student would do that.
That student, in fact, told us that if there's any good that comes of this, at least it gets people talking about the critical issue again. And the police are saying they still not sure what the source of this was, but they have this advice. At the bottom of the thing, there is an email posted, a website posted. Don't go to that, because they think if you go to that website, you could become the victim of a phishing scam at that point. We'll have more for you tonight on the Night Beat. Student reaction. We talked to some advocates on women's issues who really do worry about this having a chilling effect on women coming in to discuss and to report their critical issues. Back to you guys.